Hello and welcome to our Cybersecurity Awareness Series 45. Emotions play a big role in cybercrime. Cybercriminals often target people's emotions to trick them into making quick decisions without thinking. By understanding the emotional triggers that attackers use, you can better protect yourself from falling for their traps. Here are 6 key emotional triggers that cybercriminals exploit. 1. Fear. Scammers often use fear by sending fake warnings like your account has been compromised. 2. Curiosity. Attackers might send messages that spark curiosity, such as "You've won a prize." 3. Greed. Scams promising quick money or huge returns play on people's greed. 4. Urgency. Messages that say "act now" pressure victims into making hasty decisions. 5. Trust. Attackers impersonate trusted figures like bosses or friends to gain credibility. 6. Sympathy. Scammers use emotional appeals like fake charity requests to manipulate people. To protect yourself, always take a moment to think before acting on any message or request that sparks these emotions. Cybercriminals are experts at emotional manipulation, but by staying calm and rational, you can avoid falling into their traps.